Okay guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to open up a Chromebook. It's really simple. So you just remove these pegs around here that support it, just like that. 4. Okay, from then on, you remove these little screws. There's screws on each side. You need a tinier screwdriver. As you can see, super easy stuff. Just remove all the screws. You can also use these little things to hold your screws while you do it. All right. Okay, and then it's fairly simple. You pop, see the top here, you pop these up. You'll hear it click, and it pops up. And you do the second one, you'll hear it click. And it's super easy. Take the sponger, and then you go around. Look for the weak point, and start tearing it up. Just goes right up. Okay. What I'm going to do is reconnect this thing right here. Okay, as you can see there, just went in. Push it down and shut it, and we're done. Thank you for watching. And then we'll go ahead and reassemble it. It all just clicks right back into place. Okay, and then you slowly put back in the slip screws, the little sides here. Okay guys, and once we do that, it's all done reassembled. Thanks for watching.